Here's some flying boats trivia. Subscribe. Which aircraft served as a precursor to modern flying boats? Is it A. Concorde, B. Boeing 747, C. Curtiss NC, or D. Douglas DC-3? The correct answer is C. Curtiss NC. Which flying boat was known as the Dumbo during World War II? Is it A. Consolidated PBY Catalina, B. Supermarine Spitfire, C. Lockheed Martin C-130, or D. Boeing B-17? The correct answer is A. Consolidated PBY Catalina. What was the primary role of the flying boat? Is it A. Cargo transport, B. Ground attack, C. Passenger ferry, or D. Patrol aircraft? The correct answer is D. Patrol aircraft. What is the main structural feature of a flying boat? Is it A. Tail section, B. Hull, C. Wingspan, or D. Fuselage? The correct answer is B. Hull. Which flying boat served in the U.S. Navy during World War II? Is it A. PBY Catalina, B. F-16 Falcon, C. Boeing 7, or D. Concorde? The correct answer is A. PBY Catalina. What was the suffix of the PBY Catalina? Is it A. PBY2C, PBY4, or D. PB5A? The correct answer is D. PBY5A. What design challenge do flying boats face? Is it A. Hydrodynamic drag, B. Airborne icing, C. Structural instability, or D. Fuel efficiency? The correct answer is A. Hydrodynamic drag. Which nation primarily produced the Goose flying boat? Is it A. Germany, B. Japan, C. United Kingdom, or D. United States? The correct answer is D. United States. What was the primary use of Martin Mars? Is it A. Passenger transport, B. Military surveillance, C. Firefighting, or D. Naval warfare? The correct answer is C. Firefighting. Which event led to the decline of flying boats? Is it A. World War II, B. Rise of submarines, C. Introduction of drones, or D. Jet age? The correct answer is D. Jet age. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.